Do you think you're not knowledgeable enough to invest or buy property? I found that many people have very little confidence in their knowledge regarding real estate and property in general. I kid you not. Over the years, I have had economic majors, civil engineers, and even some PhD doctors who come to us because they are not sure of what to do. Even after they have all the information, they feel daunted by the sheer scale and magnitude of investment. Wanting to make the best decision is one thing, but being fearful solely of the idea of investing could potentially cause you to get cold feet and miss out on excellent opportunities. I do understand that for the vast majority, their life savings and where they decide to invest is an incredibly important and sensitive decision. This is why we're always there to help you. This is where I always say, yes, ask us for guidance, take our advice, but the final decision is on you. The best approach is to combine our advice with your feedback in order to make the best decision. So, don't hesitate to reach out with questions. After all, this is my job to help you with it.